Have you ever seen someone at the gym struggling with weights that are way too heavy for them? Yeah, it's not a pretty sight, and it's not the way to get strong. So, if you're new to strength training, listen up. Today, we're diving into the first and most crucial tip for beginners. Start light and gradually increase weight. Number 5. Start light and gradually increase weight. It's tempting to grab the heaviest weights and dive headfirst into strength training, but that's a recipe for disaster. Starting with light weights is crucial for several reasons. First and foremost, it allows you to focus on proper form. Lifting light weights ensures you can control the movement throughout the entire range of motion, minimizing the risk of injury. Proper form is essential for maximizing muscle engagement and preventing muscle imbalances that could lead to future problems. Secondly, starting light helps you build a solid foundation of strength. Lifting heavier weights too soon can overwhelm your muscles and lead to plateaus or even setbacks. By gradually increasing the weight as you get stronger, you'll be able to progress safely and consistently. Starting light can help you build confidence and avoid discouragement. Lifting weights can be challenging, and using lighter weights allows you to experience success and positive reinforcement, keeping you motivated and engaged in your fitness journey. Finally, starting light lets you listen to your body and adjust accordingly. You might find that certain exercises require lighter weights than others, or that your progress varies depending on the muscle group being worked. By starting light, you can tailor your workouts to your needs and avoid pushing yourself too hard too soon. Number 4. Focus on form over weight. When starting strength training, the temptation to lift heavy weights right away can be strong. However, prioritizing proper form over weight is crucial for several reasons. First and foremost, proper form minimizes the risk of injury. Using incorrect technique puts undue stress on your joints and muscles, increasing the likelihood of strains, sprains, and even more serious injuries. These setbacks can derail your progress and force you to take unwanted breaks from training. Focusing on form ensures you're targeting the intended muscle groups. With poor form, other muscles often compensate, leading to less efficient workouts and potentially hindering muscle growth. By prioritizing proper technique, you'll maximize the effectiveness of each exercise and see faster results. Good form allows you to control the weight throughout the entire range of motion. This controlled movement leads to deeper and more complete muscle activation, further enhancing the effectiveness of your workouts. Finally, focusing on form helps you develop good lifting habits that will serve you well in the long run. As you progress and start lifting heavier weights, having a strong foundation of proper technique will help you avoid injuries and continue making safe and sustainable gains. Number 3. Warm up and cool down. Warming up before any workout or sport is crucial for preventing injury and prepping your body. It gradually increases your heart rate and blood flow, preparing your circulatory and respiratory systems for the upcoming activity. This minimizes stress on your heart and allows more oxygen to reach your muscles, improving their efficiency and performance. A proper warm-up also increases body temperature and raises muscle temperature, leading to better flexibility and range of motion, and reducing the risk of muscle strains and tears during exercise. Dynamic stretches, such as arm circles, leg swings, and lunges, are ideal for a warm-up as they prepare muscles for movement. After a strenuous workout, your body is still elevated with a higher heart rate and body temperature. Cooling down allows for a gradual return to normal, preventing dizziness and lightheadedness. It also helps clear metabolic waste products like lactic acid, which can contribute to muscle soreness. Static stretches are more appropriate for the cool-down phase. They gently lengthen muscles while they're still warm and pliable, which can help improve flexibility and reduce the risk of post-workout stiffness. Incorporating a proper warm-up and cool-down routine into your workouts can significantly enhance your overall health and well-being. Regular warm-ups improve your cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of injuries, and boost athletic performance. Cooling down effectively aids in the removal of metabolic waste products, facilitates muscle recovery, and minimizes post-workout soreness. Remember, consistency is key. By making warm-ups and cool-downs an integral part of your fitness routine, you can optimize your workouts, maximize results, and enjoy a healthier, more active lifestyle. Number 2. Listen to your body. In the fitness world, Pushing your limits and challenging yourself is crucial for growth. However, there's a fine line between pushing yourself and pushing too far. Ignoring your body's signals can lead to overtraining and injuries, and even hinder your progress. Listening to your body is a vital skill for any fitness enthusiast. Your body communicates in various ways, from subtle aches and pains to fatigue and decreased performance. Recognizing these cues and responding appropriately is key to optimizing your training and preventing setbacks. One of the most common signs to pay attention to is pain. While some muscle soreness after a workout is normal, sharp or persistent pain is a red flag. Pushing through pain can lead to serious injuries and derail your training progress. If you experience pain, stop the exercise, rest, and seek medical advice if necessary. Another important indicator is fatigue. Feeling excessively tired after workouts or during the day can indicate that your body is overtrained or needs more rest. Ignoring fatigue can lead to decreased performance, increased risk of injury, and even affect your overall health. Number 1. Seek guidance. As a beginner venturing into the world of strength training, the sheer amount of online information can be overwhelming. While the internet offers many resources, navigating the intricacies of weights and exercises effectively requires more than just generic online advice. Seeking guidance from a qualified professional can be the key to unlocking your full potential and maximizing your results, all while minimizing the risk of injury. A personal trainer acts as your personal coach, providing tailored advice and support throughout your fitness journey. They assess your individual needs, strengths, and limitations, and design a personalized workout program that is safe and effective for you. This ensures you're making the most of your time and effort in the gym, avoiding generic routines that may not be tailored to your needs. Proper form is the cornerstone of safe and effective strength training. A trainer can observe your technique and provide feedback, ensuring you perform exercises correctly and safely. This minimizes the risk of injury and maximizes muscle engagement, leading to faster progress. Your trainer can create a personalized workout program that aligns with your specific goals, fitness level, and any limitations you may have. This ensures you're making the most of your time and effort in the gym, avoiding generic routines that may not be tailored to your needs. Having a trainer by your side can be a powerful source of motivation and accountability. They can help you stay on track, push you outside your comfort zone, and celebrate your progress. This personalized support can be invaluable in overcoming plateaus and maintaining consistency in your training. There you have it, first-time lifters. Starting light and gradually increasing weight is key to safe and effective strength training. For more beginner tips and workout inspiration, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.